Alrighty, I'm going to grind up some beans. Just a variety of beans. There's just a bunch of mixed beans. Actually, there's some rice in there. And peas and kidney beans and red beans and there's just a bunch of different beans in there. So we're going to grind these all up. Some small stuff. Let's just see how it works.
It's okay, Stewie. It's noisy, I know, it's okay.
It's looking just fine. I'm going to keep it level in the bowl. I don't want it overflowing. Just about done. There. Now, what I'm going to do this is that I have some pheasants. I'm going to mix it with some corn that I already have out there, and they're going to just love it. They are just going to love it. It's one of the best foods as far as I can figure to give them. Alrighty, thank you for watching. One peanut butter, old peanut butter container, full. Now what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to feed this to the pheasants, but I'm going to end up mixing it with some other grain. And I'm going to probably mix this ratio here to about approximately 10 more of these of similar size. And that'll be the ratio of mixture. And it's kind of a treat for them. They just love it. It's completely organic. Absolutely nothing in there except just naturalness. Thank you for watching.